stupid mo- Everyone back there! Holy shit! What's up, bud? Hold on, just trying to turn this stupid speaker off. How's your day going, man? Pretty good. That's good. Not too bad. Welcome to Pev Works. We got the boblin, whatever the hell this fucking thing is. The unis. We got the bikes. Got the e-scooters. More e-scooters. Got the e-boards. Got the cardboard Kevin cut out. And then we got all of this. Toys for days, everybody. Toys for days. Moto chimp. To be putting on this domino throttle, and then I have these shocks in my bag that we're also going to be throwing on this bad boy. Everyone, while I'm getting my bike worked on right now, I am trying out a lot of the toys over here. The boblin, I still have to try that guy out. But this little thing right here, this is the notebook. Yeah. Seriously, the size of a MacBook. Walk car.
What do you think that can cost?
This?
Yeah.
Please don't say it's over $200.
No idea.
Much fast. Thing is adorable. You hold it like this, there's a handle. Oh man. Walk car. I'm sitting on my buddy's bike right now. Don't tell Khois. Shh. But this is a shorty. I'm getting some new stuff put on mine, the same as this. I'm gonna get the Magura brakes put on it later, but we don't worry about that right now. But that's kind of what they look like right there. And now we're just sitting here with Khois' bike, trying to figure out where the hell we're gonna put his pegs, because there's not, on my bike, there's a hole right here on the back of this part of the actual swing arm, but he doesn't have one, so we might try to put it right there. I was looking to try out some EUCs. We got the baby, then we got the next guy right here, then the next step up, then that guy, then that guy, and then the big boy. This thing, I swear to you guys, I'm not even joking, it weighs like 90 fucking pounds. It's unreal. Hey, does anyone want to see a poorly taken care of bike? Oh, that's so gnarly. Oh, God. So, backstory on this bike was basically on a guy's boat out in the Bay Area, and all the salt water has just eroded this bike. It's maybe a year and a half old too. Only way I can tell is because of that short ass swing arm. Got the domino throttle on finally. Everything's looking good here. Nice, solid. And then we'll put the Ego Boost shocks on later because we don't have the right spacers. I'm gonna go talk to Onyx tomorrow and see if I can pick those up from them.